This is what it's like to spend a day as a girl in her 20s working in a tech company in China. After living in China for 4 years, it's time to finally pull myself together and start making a daily vlog. I really want to share my life with you guys, but if you're looking for that kind of aesthetic, beautiful, got that shit together kind of vlog, that is probably not going to be what you'll find here. Perfectionism is something that I struggle with and it's been holding me back for a while, so I thought I'd just bite the bullet and show you what it's really like, the great, the beautiful, to the messy and disorganized, and share some of my inner thoughts so you can see what it's really like to live abroad and not just that kind of glamorized part that you see on social media. Okay, so hi. So this video is a little different for me. Everyone is inside sleeping at lunchtime, but I don't really like to do that. So I went to the DJI shop and I bought, let's have a little unboxing and just can have a chat to you guys. So I got the DJI Osmo Nano. I'm pretty excited to start using this. I pretty much just used my phone for videos previously. Well, my friend recommended it to me. Look, it's so cute. This is the screen here, and here's the camera. Here you are. What I like about it is, first, like, you can take this off. Look how tiny this is. I feel like it's so discreet. Usually I would just hold my phone and walk around, and I feel like gets in people's faces, it's a bit awkward. So yeah, and then you can put it somewhere and like still check out the screen to see what you're doing, so it's pretty cool. It came with some like accessories. You know, I decided I want to change up my kind of content. I make travel videos showing all different places around China, Asia, but I feel like, you know, it's not so personal. It's amazing and I really like to share my trips and travels, but I really want to get more down to earth and make some kind of more community on here. I've been living in China for literally 4 years. Yes, I've documented a lot of my travels. Even I've recorded hundreds and hundreds of videos that I haven't posted. But actually, I really want to document some of my daily life and share that with you guys. I feel like that's interesting and that's what I like to watch on YouTube. So why am I not making this kind of content? Yeah, so this camera kind of symbolizes like a new era of the channel, let's say. One of the main things that's been holding me back from making this kind of content for literally 4 years is I'm a type B person, like fully. I'm not that kind of aesthetic girl. I don't have that kind of aesthetic lifestyle. I feel like my daily routine is like a bit chaos. I kind of felt like, not embarrassed, but I thought, I don't know if this is really what people want to be seeing, but you know, it. Like, it's been 4 years and I haven't done it, so I'm just gonna pull myself together and start sharing my life. And I want to get a bit real, can chat about some things that are on my mind and what it's really like to live abroad. Of course, it has its really good benefits and really like cool moments, but it also has its difficult moments, and I think it's nice to be transparent and share some of that. So it came with this little stand. It can like move around, so you can stick it on different places, like stick it on the wall. Actually, I went to buy it on Friday, but they were out of stock in Shenzhen, so they had to ship it in from another city. And then I went to pick it up today, and the guy was really cute. He remembered my name. Like when I walked in the shop, he's like, Sophie, 欢迎光临, like welcome. Oh, okay, it has a little case. Cute girl. Living in China, is the customer service is like really good. You can clip it like to a hat, and then this is like a little necklace. Flip it on, I guess. The rest of the vlog, I will use this. Enough yapping. I feel this has been a yap-thon already. See you later. metro journey cost me 4 kwai, which is literally about 40p, and I was on the metro for like 35-40 minutes. So cheap. Like, if there's one thing that China is really great, is how convenient it is. It's just like unmatched. The price and convenience, really great. I've got to pack because I'm going on a mini trip this weekend, and I've got to eat dinner and take a shower, wash my hair. Oh my god. So I've got a lot to do. Let's get busy.
Supposed to date each other. We're not the same kind of age. Never seen her. Spinal surgery.
Let's pack. I have finally decided what I'm gonna wear. Tomorrow is gonna be leopard print jeans with white long sleeve top and this like plaid shirt because I feel it's kind of autumny. The next day is these jeans and this like autumn color hoodie. I don't know, it's just me, but I feel like I always really struggle to decide what clothes I should wear all the time. It used to be really bad, like maybe like a year and a half ago, and I could never decide what to wear. It would take me like an hour to decide. I feel like recently I got a bit better after buying some more clothes that I feel like fit my vibe a bit more, but I wish someone could just like decide. Like if I had a personal shopper and they just like, okay, you're gonna wear this would just fix so many of my problems. I don't know. Okay. You could say, why didn't I pack already? And that would be a really good point. And I don't know the answer. This is me from the future letting you know that the next video on this channel is going to be all about that trip. It's really giving autumn fairy tale vibes, so come and check it out if you're interested. And as always, see you again next time. Love you, bye!